Good morning all. Now we are going to discuss downlink transport channel processing in this particular video. Downlink control channels are carried over the physical downlink control channels and they contain control information from MAC layers including downlink control information DCI, control format indicator and HARQ indicator HI, channel mapping between control information and physical channels in the downlink as shown in figure down. This is the specific physical channel for each type of control information. On the physical layer of the PDCH and shared channels are timed multiplex such as the PDCH carried over the first few OFDM symbols of each subframe and the PDSCH carried over the rest of the OFDM symbols. That the things we are using here. The number of OFDM symbols allocated to PDCH can vary from 1 to 4 and is conveyed by the CFI. CFI is carried on yet another control channel known as physical control format indicator channel, which is always carried in a predetermined format over the first OFDM symbol of each subframe. This predefined format allows each user interface to decode the CFI without ambiguity and thus determine the number of OFDM symbols in the beginning of the each subframe and are used for control region. Diversity multiplex trade-off DMT. You can see the diagram how exactly it is. Channel mapping for control information is downlink. It is physical layers to the downlink of control information. There we are having PDCH with the DSI control information, PCFICH physical channel to CFI and PHICH to PHI of the control information is mapping. Downlink control information DSI format. This is among the control information in the downlink. DCI is the most important as it carries detailed control information both downlink uplink transmission. Therefore, in this section we first describe what is different DCI format. So, what is then the decoding and modulation processing of each control channel discussed. Following are the supported MIMO transmission. DSI carries the downlink scheduling assignment uplink scheduling. DSI format 0 that carries uplink scheduling grants and necessary control information for uplink transmission. DSI format 1, 1B, 1B and 10 and 1C and 1D provides scheduling information for one code word transmission without special multiplexing. This category is the largest number of types in order to save signaling resource of PDCGS as this format optimizes the specific use cases and transfer mode. DCI format 2A, 2AB provide downlink scheduling information CL on opening, special multiplexing respectively already we have discussed. Downlink control information in DCI map to the PDCH physical channel multiplex. Multiple PDCH can be transmitted in a subframe. A 16-bit CRC is attached to the control information symbol and CRC parity bits are then scrambled according to the following rules. It is given here. User interface 0 is all zeros antenna selection mask and user interface 1 is the first bit is 1, rest of 0. So these are the things we are having here. HARQ indicator, this is nothing but it's for HARQ acknowledgement. It responds to the uplink transmission. The special multiplexing is not supported in the uplink. In current specification, only one information bit is required for HQR acknowledgement. And it has two values, either 1 acknowledge or 0 for negative acknowledgement. And that is required for repetition code for 1.3 applied, which has two code words 0 and 1 such as one repetition is available, provide frequency diversity of the mapping different code bits to different resource element. Binary PSK modulation is applied. HI map onto the PCH physical channel multiple. Map to the signed set of the resource element constitute one PSICH group which within the same group are separated through the different orthogonal sequence with the separating factor of 4. And APCH is to identify the index pair group type where the group is the pitch group number and the orthogonal sequence index with the group. The number of which groups are different to the frame structure 1 and type 2. Type 1 is FDD and type 2 is TDM. Specify in 3 among the orthogonal sequence. In addition to cell-specific scrambling is applied. That's the end of this particular video. Thank you very much.